Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And I'd like to say a special welcome to all my subscriber friends. And if you're new here, well, you've come at a good time, because we're going to find out how we can make our hair thicker and stronger and better. That's right, today I have a new product. Alina from Laduora had contacted me, and we are going to open up this box and see what this product looks like. This is a hair enhancement type product that we will use on our scalp in order to produce longer, thicker hair. So I got this box in the mail, and we're going to open this up right now and see what we have. And I'm going to tell you more about this product as we go along, because now when I open up a box like this, this is as new to me as it is to you. And we are both going to learn about it together. And this is just a little sneaky peeky on the inside. They've got it wrapped up really good. Looks like we've got some kind of boosting cream there or something that we're going to be using. It's called the Duo Pod. So we have a boost there, so that's one thing that we're having. Let's see what else we have in here. Have you ever heard of anything like Laduora? This is a Laduora product, and it's from the Laduora family. And let's see what we have here. We have the Laduora DUO. This is a premium scalp and hair care device. Now guys, you know I've used other devices on my face and even on my décolleté, and they even have things for your hands. Now there is a product for your hair. And let's find out a little bit about this. This is the first ever pod-based scalp and hair care device. It's called the Duo. It's a simple process, and it's engineered for smoother, shinier, fuller looking hair, healthier hair. So wow, that's a loaded statement, and I don't know if that was a glare while it was up there or not, because I couldn't see. Only you could see while I was reading that. But this product is really cool, and it is for, like it says, your hair, for making it shinier and thicker and making it grow more. And we're going to open this up and see what it looks like. And here is the first initial presentation. We have us a little book here that'll be our instruction book, and we have the dual essential kit there, the Laduora kit, and then we have the handheld device. Now, it's my understanding it says to unlock the secret of stronger, healthier hair. This is what it looks like. It's easy handheld to use as far as being able to hold it. It's very easy, and it's, you know, not too big and not too small, so easy to hang on to. It's not heavy, and it's a nice color, and it says unlock the secret to stronger, healthier hair. The Duo revolution starts now, and it starts with you. Okay, you're among the first in the world to experience a pod-based scalp and hair treatment. So hey guys, did I tell you it's relatively new? Say goodbye to the ineffective and costly treatments of applications. It won't feel like any of your traditional hair care products or devices, and for that, your hair will thank you. And then it says our revolutionary pod-based elixir delivery system is carefully engineered to push all the active, nutrient-rich ingredients in exactly the right amount and where they need to be. Our goal is to make your beauty routine 100% unique, hassle-free, and efficient. Most importantly, we keep the rule of simplicity as a keynote of our elegance. So this is the device, and this has got red light therapy. Now I don't know if it's going to light up. I probably am going to have to charge it. But inside there we have this box, which is probably going to have my charging kit, and that's going to come, oh, it's got some cleaning devices. So we got a couple of cleaning devices. We got a little cloth here, and let's see what this is. This here's probably my charging sheet to use. Yes, it's got a USB port. So let me see if I can plug it into my computer here and see if we can get it to light up, so I can at least show you a little bit about it. Now I got a charge on it. I've got a light going. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's on. On there it looks like it's white. To me it's red, which means it's probably got to charge a little bit. So I've got it charging, and this here is really nice and soft. So like you're going to put this on your head, and you're going to have these little pods. From the way I understand it, I'm going to take these pods. Okay, I've got the pod thing here, and we have to pull back this, and it exposes one of the pods. And as you can see, I don't have the directions on this yet, but this is the pod, and this will sit down in here. And as you can see, I'm not going to press it down in there yet because I've got to read the instructions, but this has got the gel that's inside, and I will be putting this in here. And then once I've got it attached and then I have this charged up, I would push my button, and it's going to have red light therapy along with vibration. Now while that is going, it's my understanding, and it'll be charged up so it won't have this cord on it, but you can go to parts of your hair that you need to, you want to strengthen it and make it thicker, and you would just be rubbing this along the lines of your hairline where you want to have growth. Now my thin side is this side, so I'm going to be working on this side especially, and you would just rub this on just like this and go all the way up, and then we should see new growth in my hair. But just to kind of give you an idea of what it's going to do once it's charged up, and it's still not going to go yet because it's going to have to fully charge, but at least I can give you an idea of what we're going to be doing with that serum. And then you're going to do this for so many minutes, and of course I'll find all that out while I am finding out how to use this product, and it will increase the volume of my hair. It will make your hair stronger. And so that is what the Laduora DUO is all about. Now I am going to put this back in here right now so I don't lose it. So that's my little pods that I'm going to be using that has the serum. And I want to go to their website, and like I was telling you, we got a couple of cleaners here along with a cloth to help us clean it out, and also more information on this product. I've got my hair all wild now, and you can tell which side's thinner than the other because it didn't take much to fluff that side up. I would have to do this a lot more on this side to keep this fluffed out on that side because it's thicker hair. Look at the difference. See, you can tell. And I don't know how long it's going to take it for it to all drop down. But while we're waiting on my hair to drop down or do whatever crazy thing it's going to do, let's pop over here to the Laduora website. And let me tell you a little bit about this. It's an active smoother. It's a healthier and fuller looking hair with the first ever pod-based red light therapy, scalp and hair, the Laduora DUO. The DUO Elixir Pod is personalized to your unique hair goals so that you can experience unique, luxurious, and red light therapy hair treatments from the comfort of your home. Now you guys know that I do red light therapy with the mask, and then I have my little spark that has a little bit, I think that's radio frequency, the little red light therapy. And let's see what else it has to say, just so that you might want to know a little bit more about this. What is Laduora DUO? And the answer to that, it's the world's first patented pod-based hair and scalp care device. Combine your Duo with chosen Duo Pod to experience a unique and luxurious hair and scalp treatment. What are the benefits to the scalp massage? Well, it's gentle, it's sonic vibration for a true at-home scalp massage experience. The scalp massage was found to help relieve stress and reduce tension. It may also improve circulation to your scalp and promote healthy hair growth, and that's what I'm looking for. And it says, what are the benefits of red light therapy? Well, red light therapy, also referred to as low-level laser therapy, is a non-invasive, safe, and clinically proven treatment to awaken your scalp. It delivers nourishing laser light energy directly to your hair follicles, so while you have that up there, and it helps diminish hair loss and helping naturally grow stronger, thicker, and shinier hair. What does the microcurrent do for your scalp? Well, the lead-in function of the microcurrent can effectively induce hair growth by stimulating the dormant hair follicles that are phased out to become revigorated. through regulation of multiple hair growth factors in the scalp. And that's something that I've learned a little bit about. You don't really lose your hair follicles, but they become dormant. And I'm sure, I've got several that are like that because, I am in my 60s, so this may help a lot for me and for anybody that wants to thicken up their hair, or if you feel like you've been losing a lot of hair, you want to stimulate the scalp to get more hair back. And then it says, what is the therapeutic warmth? The warmth that you'll feel on your head, and this is just going to be on there while you're just kind of massaging your scalp like this. The therapeutic warmth, also known as aromatherapy, is the use of heat in treatment. Therapeutic warmth increases the skin permeability and blood flow, which results in a better absorption of the elixir oil to reach deeper into the scalp. So that sounds pretty interesting. And then it says which hair type Duo is suitable for. And it is suitable for dull hair, dry hair, damaged hair, and all types of hair. So it's good for any hair. And where are they located? They are located in Los Angeles, California. And the last question I guess they get asked a lot is, do you offer free shipping? And it says Laduora currently offers free shipping on all U.S. orders. No minimum order is required. For international shipping charges, please visit their website and see the policy. Now, I am an affiliate with Laduora, and there will be an affiliate link down in my description. If you're interested, you can click on that link and go investigate all the information about this and possibly find out if Laduora is right for you. Now, this is a brand new product to me, so I have not used it yet because we just unboxed it. I am planning on using this for the very reasons that I just showed you. I've got a real thick side of hair on this side, and I've got a real thin, even like a receding hairline up here. So we're going to see before and after, and you can see how far back that goes, and we'll see how well this does. And it's said to give it 5 to 12 weeks to get your new growth going. So we will come back and take a look at this product later on after it's charged up and I have a chance to use it and try it out. But you guys let me know what you think. Have you ever heard of Laduora? Is it something that you would be interested in? Do you need thicker, fuller, shinier hair? If you do, this may be a product that is right for you. Now, the one thing I didn't mention is the cost, because you know what? I don't really know what the cost is. Let me see if they have it on here. Okay, the Laduora 4-in-1 Pod Base Scalp Hair Care is $299.95, $299.95, and right now it is on sale for $249.95. So this is a great product that you could use to enhance your hair, to make it grow, to get the dormant cells to waken up and start growing hair again, and you can have thicker, fuller hair. So this could be a great item, and they do have choices of pods that you can choose whenever you make your order. So this is a fantastic new product that I'm hoping will do wonders for my hair, and it shows in pictures that you can just be brushing or like massaging your hair while you're putting in the serum. And I want to see what color serum I got. What they gave me, looks like the aqua color, so let's see what it's supposed to do. It says it's the Boost Pod. It's for hair thinning and slow growth. Wow, I wonder how she knew that I needed that one. That's exactly the pod that I needed. So that's the one that I'm going to have. They have one for dry scalp, the Balance Pod they call it, for damaged hair, and they have the Awaken Pod. And this is a product buildup, and if you have like fusky or itchy scalp, you would want the Awaken Pod. So I have the Boost Pod, and I'm real happy about that because I do have the thinning up here, and I definitely want to try this out. And I also wanted to let y'all know what the price was. If I can get a discount code for this, I will definitely put it down in my description. But right now, you can save $50 on the sale that they're having right now if you are interested in this product. And you can use my link, like I said, down below. and I am an affiliate, so I may receive a small commission off of it, and I want to be upfront about that. But I also want you to know that I am going to use this. I have had a lot of great success with red light therapy and with the massage machines type things, the vibration machines that I have used, and so I feel real confident that this will be working very well for me. I'll be back and I'll give y'all an update, and in the meantime you can be checking it out, and if it's something you want to try out with me, well then just go right ahead and do it. But as for today in Laduora, I want to thank Alina for reaching out to me and sending me this for free as a review to show you and unbox, and also to use and show you my results. And I thank you very much, Alina. I look forward to trying this product out. Again, it's lightweight, it's easy to charge, and as you can see, the pods are going to be very easy to drop down in there, and I will give y'all an update in about 6 weeks. So look for me to come back and tell you more about it. As for today and Laduora DUO, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.